This is where the future of global healthcare comes to life. In Basel, science meets patient care, bringing real cases into the room. Innovation thrives in open platforms, where new ideas and startups join the conversation. From research to real-world use, everything connects in one compact place. That's why Basel is Europe's most concentrated life sciences hub for pharma, biotech, healthtech, and medtech innovation. And what they build shows up in the congresses and conferences. Practical, relevant. With a strong track record of global healthcare events, Basel gives decision-makers real confidence. Choose an ecosystem that moves life sciences forward. Choose Basel for your healthcare events.